Hello guys, today I'm making a video on hair treatment, or you can say hair loss. I have been a victim of hair loss for a long period of time, and after researching and wasting so many money, so much, I cannot tell you how much but yeah, I have been wasting all of money in buying oils and getting the treatment done. So finally I found, after 6 or 7 years trying all the stuff, losing lots of hair and dealing with depression and everything, I'm coming with a very nice oil. I will not claim it that it will 100% cure your hair loss, but yes, definitely this is one of the best oil that one can get, whether it's hair loss, or you have an headache, or you have a migraine problem. This oil is very much effective. As you can see, it's an homeopathic medicine, and I got this bottle from Amazon, and I will link the below the from where I bought it and how much it cost me. So you can see in the content what it is there. It says 100, each 100 ml contains Arnica montana, Brahmi, Cantharis, Jaborandi, Wisband, oil base, and alcoholic content. And as you can see, it has very mild smell, and it's green in color. You can see, just you have to apply. I apply just twice or thrice a week, and it give me a best result. And if I'm having headache, and I use then, and it is very effective in that. And also I want to say you that it is non-sticky. The best part is it's non-sticky, so you can apply, and men can apply and easily can go to office, because its smell is very nice and it's non-sticky. You will not feel that there is an oil in your hair. So please try this for your hair loss, and if it's too much, apply gently 3 times a week, and just wash your hair in the morning, and it will give you a best result. So it's, you can see the name homeopathic med, and you go for this brand. This is a very good, nice brand. I bought it. I got two piece, and it was in combination, like 2 bottle combination from Amazon. And yeah, I'm using from 1 year, and it is giving me the best result. So I'm recommending this homeopathic Jaborandi hair treatment oil to you guys to go and try, and just let me know you like it or not. And in the next video I will tell you how my hair loss stopped, and the second video will be about the doctor, and doctor who prescribed me the medicine for for hair loss. And yes, if you are interested, please do give thumbs up to my video, and please like my video and share my video for all your friends who is dealing with hair loss. And yes, thank you. Bye bye.